Hi, this is Carla from More Talk JA here with my weekly fitness journey update. I just finished doing the Charlene Core 20 workout, 20 minutes of core, whatever. Me not feel no pain now. I'm hoping that it will feel pain tomorrow, like by the time it gets stale. If not, it means that I'm probably not doing it well and I need to revisit my technique. But for now, all is well. Like, me get enough oblique work. Because you know, when you have obliques, like, look, look, cut them where you see around the side, me well want them someday. If me not get them, me not go dead, but me would like to just have one day in my life, or me but back off my clothes and see them something there. So this is, I'm something there. I think I'm on like day 7 of her workouts. I'm almost through the first week. It's going well. I mean, I don't feel that drained, but then I'm only on the starter segment. Fire starter, when we could not fathom last week, did it again, and it was much simpler this time, I guess, because I had some idea of where she was going and where she was coming from. I did turn down the music, because the first time I did fire up the music, don't do that. If you're new to the workout, don't fire up the music. Listen to Charlene's voice, does not fire up the music. So I did that. And look here. You see this? You see the resistance bands up there? That's something that's going to save your life. Especially when you try the abdominal work, save your life. Because you know when you do like reverse abs, like you keep your foot up in the air and you lean back as opposed to keeping your feet down and you coming forward. When you have the resistance bands, you're forcing against the band, so you're getting that tension. So it's actually, it's providing resistance, so it makes you have to work harder. But the fact that you have the resistance bands give you a little bit more balance. So it relieves, I find that it relieves some of the pressure on my spine. It makes my spine and my back and stuff under less strain when I'm doing it. So them I save my life, because me in a C-sit and them type of something, I do all type of exciting things with the resistance band. I mean, granted, everything was fine with the workout until I had to go into C-sit, and then suddenly it was a problem because, well, C-sit hurts. Look, I'm not dressed up like this for the workout. It's not like me in my house I get dressed every me I go gym when nobody can see me in my room. I had an interview earlier before anybody come and ask me what is taking place. Charlene Avatanya. You know Shanti Avatanya? And like everybody can't stand her because she's just too happy. And yeah, Shanti have two. No, Charlene have two Tanyas. One named Ali. She's the one who do the modified version of the workout, which is where I work out. And then she have another youth. The youth now, what him do, him just love jump. So it's like when everybody would have done and do like a kick to the side, no, him go just like double up and jump and start flying and type of something there. So I guess since Tanya had to take so much backlash, she decided she was going to be kind and share the labor of being the most hated person in the world, so she have 2 of them. Me not hate them yet, except for the youth, where just I walk up and down and I jump for no reason. But I'm watching him. If him keep up him foolishness, me and him gonna have to go some problems. So what else do I need to tell you? I have been going through my fasting, and that has been going very well. I was supposed to do 4 days last week, but that was a big fat fail because at the end of the 3rd day, I made it just hungry and just yam. But I did not break it with a cookie or a burger, which is what I did the times before. I broke it with something sensible. This week aiming for 4 days, but it's difficult because on the fruit fast, I don't think I've worked out like how to get all of the necessary vitamins and nutrients. So I don't have as much energy on the days when I'm doing the fasting, and especially because I'm not eat consistently the way that I should. So I don't have a lot of energy, and when I have school and all of them things here to balance, it makes it easier for me. I'm considering getting Shakeology, which is the shake that Beachbody offers that everybody that I know who has used it has given me very good reviews on it, and it's clean energy. It doesn't make you put on weight and all of them type of something there. So it basically gives you what you need. And I'm one of them people there who's like, lad, God, it costs too much money. But as it turns out, when you work it out, it turns out to be like $4 a day per shake, and the shake is a meal. I mean, no, say me I blow up more than $4 per day. I buy food out the road, and a foolishness me I buy. So I figure that it's worth a shot. So I'm probably gonna start doing that. If anybody wants to join me on the fasting or the Shakeology, please link me. You can catch me on More Fitness. You can also remember I'm affiliated with a Beachbody account, so the information is down there. Any other things that you want? And if you want me to be a Beachbody coach generally, since I'm going through a fitness journey and I like to support people and have people come alongside me. So I was supposed to put up the pictures of things that I've been eating, and I didn't. So I'm going to put them up here. Okay, so these are some of the things that I've been eating. Various salads, and one of these things probably has salmon in it. You maybe cannot tell the salmon because it is black, where salmon is supposed to be pink. I didn't tell anybody that I turned into a cook. All I said is that I was trying to eat healthier. So these are the things that I've been eating. There after They've been very tasty. This week, I realized I could have did have guacamole all of this time. And when I put in the guacamole, it's like my mouth just confused and it started telling me say it was meat. So I eat the meal and never feel hungry because the guacamole did fool me that I was eating meat. I don't know how. And them have some like a dry up chips named Wassa chips. I'm going to show you them next time. Them tough and look like cardboard. But you see when you drop on all like some salsa upon them, sweets. The other night, I got drink, and when I come home, instead of go Burger King, I just eat the Wassa chips and the chili, and I just satisfy and come to bed and wake up and I feel sweet. Yeah, I'm going to show you them next week. Anyways, everybody, please keep up your workout. I'm going to go down to the health center and try to weigh myself, because now people are going to start asking, how much are we? And all of these types of things. And try to keep yourself healthy and moving. If you don't like the workout that you're doing presently, switch it and do our next one. Yeah, point is to keep moving. Pick up yourself and your loved ones, everyone, and take care of yourself and each other. Bye bye.